My whole term 1 went learning data analytics, and term 2 went doing financial calculation. I wish I would have knew this before going to pursue my MBA from an IIM. Follow this video and watch the video till end to know what you have to do to make your academic burden lighter. Hello everybody, my name is Shubhangi Aryan and I'm student of IIMK Code. So today we are going to discuss how to utilize these 2 months before admission when you are going to pursue your MBA from an IIM. Let me be very clear about the curriculum first. So there is no specification. You have to study particular set of subjects, each from every domain, like whether it's for marketing, strategy, finance, HR. So yes, you have to study all together in your first year. From second year onwards, you can take electives which can be combination of any subject, either from strategy part or from finance part. So if you are an engineer and you are thinking that you want to make career in finance, there will be an opportunity to select not only the specification but all set of subjects which is there in finance, as well as balance it with the operations part so that you can have knowledge of both the departments. Am I going little fast? Let me slow you down. So right now you must be in the phase of conversion and results. Like, many congratulations if you have converted right now to any IIM or are going to pursue MBA from some private prestigious colleges. So for these 2 months, there are certain courses which can give you an additive advantage for being in the list of best of the best. In first year, there will be subjects like corporate finance, FMI, and operations as well. So if you are a finance grad, you have to study operations, which may be very new to you. And if you are engineer, doctor, or anything else, a part of commerce student, subjects like corporate finance or financial measurement instruments, these can be a big hit for you. But let me tell you one thing, it would have been better if I would have knew this, because I was completely shocked for the first time when I was studying financial accounting. So there is the 2-month opportunity for you. All the curriculums in IIM are supportive even if you start from base. But again, there are only 24 sessions and a lot of work. So you can give an additive edge to your preparation and a little relaxation during your academic days through your prior practice. I'll suggest you many of the courses which you can do in these 2 months to add a competitive edge to your profile. My friends, they are basically advanced Excel, financial accounting, operation management, and all these courses are easily available in platforms like Udemy, Coursera, as well as for marketing. It may be Google Analytics. So it is easily available and free of cost in the Google Classroom itself. Anyways, on Wednesday, Udemy courses are half priced or cut off, like it range between $399 to $499. So you can go and grab it and you can put your skills in your CVs as well. For every different class, you are going to make a PowerPoint presentation. So if you are pro in PowerPoint presentation, think how easy your work will be. For every other class, you have to run Excel formulas. So if you will be a pro in Excel, think how easy your Excel worksheet will be. Even in the examination, you are supposed to make calculation in Excel a part of the scientific calculator, so you need to carry your laptop in the classrooms. Don't waste your time of these period. A complete 2 months you can utilize just by giving 2 hours in a day to your prep to make your academic burden lighter. Get yourself enough equipped with Excel skills, PowerPoint presentation skills, good communication skills. So yes, you can learn a communication skill course from Udemy as well. And if you are a non-finance student, please prepare yourself for accounting. Read a little bit about market conditions, stock prices, which will be helping you to measure and know the practical aspects of your learning. Don't go in advance. Start from basic itself. They are easy to do and they might not require as harsh time as you have to give when you are working in pressure of academic burden of 7 to 8 subjects in every term, along with your SIP preparation and maybe guest competitions if you are interested. I hope this video is valuable for you, is informative to you. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video and leave whatever you think. Bye bye. I hope you enjoyed it. All the best.